I am back on my BS. I've just been called to paint this room. I'm not doing it. Steve is doing it. He gave us a good deal. So we're going with like this chocolate brown color. I'm living. It goes really well with the ceilings. I just came to the conclusion that if it's a dungeon, I might as well enjoy the dungeon, right? Instead of trying to fake it out, just embrace it. And honestly, I feel like the ceilings look even taller somehow with this dark paint. They just finished day one of painting. They just abruptly left. I love it. Steve really keeps me on my toes. And Babe is going in now to just see what she thinks. This is what it looks like. I feel like somehow it looks taller. Which is, like it still feels.
It looks bigger.
Yeah. Cave. Illusion. The power of paint. Check me out on Instagram. I really dig it. I want everyone to know that Babe chose this paint color.
Yes, I looked up black paint color Sherwin-Williams. And then
But didn't I send you a whole article for you to read?
Then, I didn't read this article. Then I Googled that. And the first suggestion was this YouTube video of this guy that's saying, Black Fox is the new it color. And here we are.
Wow, maybe I should have made that YouTube video.
Swayed.
Are you guys that easily swayed by my YouTube videos? I hope not. I don't want to be that convincing. Yeah, I'm digging it. I gotta order a chandelier now. I'm like, can
Are
you?
you gonna center it in the room or over the bed?
In the room. So that like when you first walk in, like think about how stupid it would look.
But when you first walk in, I mean, this is this way, right?
Oh my God. Oh my God, this is gonna keep me up tonight. Just kidding. I'll
But
find.
I don't want him to get rid of these lights.
Why does he have to get rid of the lights?
I know, that's what we did in the kitchen. Can you paint that fire alarm or no? Is that like not?
I feel like that's probably illegal. He said don't cover the paint, so I'll leave the paint. So do you want to like try and get clothes out of here, or what do you want me to do? Do you want me to climb in here, get some clothes?
Oh yeah. I mean, actually, I think we're probably fine. What do we need?
Underpants.
I have a glow to clean laundry. I can look in there.
There you go, designer. Oh
My
my God, my
brother-
heating pad. Oh my God, I'll have to have a cold night.
Don't worry. I knew this would happen.
Thank you. Oh, and then I got I'm good then.
I know you have sweatshirts.
Oh, well, we can still shower in here.
I know.
Okay, can you guys see? The bathroom is kind of messy, obviously, because like we shoved a bunch of stuff in here for them to be able to paint. The difference in the paint color between this paint color and that, yeah, you should be able to tell. She can't tell.
This one's lighter and more green.
That's right. Do you know that though? Because I told you that?
No, I can see it.
I love it. Wunderbar.
I mean, I can tell lighter or darker. I can just not tell the difference between two very similarly colored paint.
Got s'mores on your face. We've been having a lot of s'mores with our new little fire pit. Okay, shower time. We'll check in tomorrow when it's done. If he finishes. I think he will. I believe in Steve. There's no one I believe in quite like Steve.
Stevie Wee.
And I found Steve just through like a random Instagram story. And now he's become like...
He's in our house the most besides you and me.
Yeah. He is near and dear to my heart at this point. Okay. Babe is home from work. Did you see that switch in her face? She had a hard day. But it's time for her to see the bedroom.
I've been looking forward to this all day.
We could maybe tone down the sarcasm a little bit.
Oh yeah, looks good.
The lights aren't on.
Hold on. Oh, yeah, it actually does look nice. Looks really good.
I feel like it looks sexy.
It does. It looks like a nice sexy cave.
But not a sex
I
cave,
like the
right?
gold with it.
The bed's not pushed back all the way, but our idea is to have our bed over there and put a big mirror in there because we really don't have any great floor mirrors. You're really gonna be like, what about that big gold one? It's behind the sofa.
You can't see yourself in it.
Yeah. With the dog's chairs, because the dog doesn't sleep in the bed because he just kicks you all night long. Like he'll only sit on the sofa if his legs are like in my fat rolls. So for that reason, he has his own chairs for sleeping. But I'm ordering a chandelier tonight. It's gonna go right there. I also talked to him and he said that he's just gonna run it from that so they'll be on the same switch.
Okay.
Because these are Hue lights, because I can just turn those off, right, from my phone and that still be on.
Okay, I wasn't concerned about that.
Okay.
But nice.
What were you concerned about then?
I wasn't concerned about anything.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so the finish on it is actually satin because they didn't have any eggshell.
Is Is satin better? Higher than egg feel?
Satin is glossier, which I actually just generally prefer more.
It's nice and shiny.
It's not gonna scuff as much. So for when I ultimately
Weenie.
do something. Weenie, do you want to see the room? Weenie. What do you think? What do you think? Do you like the room? He says, I miss my mom. He's always really excited to see you at the end of the day because he's just with me all day and I'm not like super fun because I do also work. But yeah, this is the room. I love the black nightstands. Let's go see if it's dry because that's why everything is not pushed back. Oh God, sleeping on the thing was awful. So, oh my God, they fixed the wall too where I messed it up. It's dry. Are you on our bed? He said, this is my bed. It's okay, we have to change the sheets anyway. And this is how it looks from this perspective. So they also painted the grates and all of that. I just love it. I think it looks sexy. And our new dressers come next week. And they actually called me today about that. But we got dressers from Value City. So they're gonna go along this wall. This is going to go back in with the Brock, which is how it belongs because we actually just need a place for guests to be able to put things, especially since God bless you, bless. Since I ruined the other closet. So our bed is gonna go back over here. I don't know what we're gonna do in terms of our headboard. I guess for now, nothing. And then we'll just kind of go from there. We'll see. All right, I'm in the bedroom and they're about to deliver the dressers. So they're supposed to go right over there. I, of course, so they're supposed to here. I did not measure, not one bit. I believe they look nice. They are a brown instead of a black. So our nightstands are black, which you can see. But we're doing brown over here. And then I think we're just gonna get the brown rug out of storage. Even though it's heavy AF, I think it's just gonna be better. I'm loving how the room is coming together. It's just like a slow and steady sort of thing. I need to put all this paint up. This, I need to finish painting this bathroom. I'm just like really into dark colors right now. And now that I'm healthier, it's way, 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 way easier for me to do things like that. Like I was able to paint this bathroom, get up on the ladder, wallpaper the other bathroom, get up on the ladder with no problem. It used to be so difficult for me. But now, I'm dragging all this paint over here so they can go in there, no problem. All right, there's that. Where's the weenie? There's Weenie. Weenie, you wanna say hello to the people? Say hello. They are here. Look, she's beauty and she's grace. She's Miss United States. Oh, they are beautiful. I saw them in store. Oh, a little velvet lining in there. And then the Brock can finally go back to where the Brock belongs, which is in the guest room. Because right now our guests have no place to put anything. They come with mirrors. I didn't want the mirrors up, but I'm gonna push them together so it looks like one. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do with these mirrors. Maybe I'll like paint them or something for the vibes. I'm not sure yet. Let's see if I can lift it. Nervous. I didn't know how to use it, even when it would be helpful to me. I just really don't want these mirrors to damage this wall that we literally just got painted. So, oh yeah, these are so heavy. I have to wait for Babe. There's no way. She's so much stronger than I am. But I like that it gives like the vibe of a continuous dresser, because obviously they do not sell dressers this big. But we just don't have enough place for our clothes, and I'm sorry, but I need to do a deep clean in this room. But then we'll be in business. Let me turn on the lights so that you can really get the vibes. You're like, Kiva, can you shut up? Never, never, ever, ever. A really weird thing about this window is that there's only a plug on that side. So let me get an extension cord. I really like that. I honestly have to lay in the bed to see if they're even, but I'm dirty. I do not ever lay in the bed with my outside clothes on. But let me put my sexy man on here for the vibes. This also needs to be dusted and stuff, but I have other things to do right now. Look at that. Look at him. He looks so good. If I had a man, this is what I want to look like. But I don't have a man, and I'll never have a man, so there's that. I guess, actually, let me push this console. So this is the console, the RH console. Let me just push it into the hallway here so we can at least put the chairs where they go, because it's not fair to make Babe help me with that. She's got more important things to do. And then I need to go finish some other work and find the cord to my computer, because my trainer needs a computer, and I said you can borrow my desktop because I really never use it. But then of course the day she's coming, I have no idea where the power cord is. Very on brand for me. I am just full of disorganized organization, if that's the thing. That's not a thing, you just made it up. Okay, so Steve is putting it in. We bought this big chandelier, and Babe wants to center it over the bed, but I said that we missed the bed so much that's not possible. So that's where it's gonna go, and hopefully we like it because I'm not moving it. It turns out that there are 2 more tiers to the chandelier than I knew, so I should start reading information better. But I'm pretty excited about it, and that means we don't have to hang it quite as low. And what we're doing, or not we, I'm not doing anything, but what he's doing is he's hiding the cords behind the beam so that you can't see them from the front, because that would keep me up at night. I just opened up the crystals, and here's what they look like. And there have to be, I don't know, they're like 50 in this one box, so it doesn't bode well, but they are very, very pretty. And then he is assembling that, and you can see that's only 2 tiers. And there are many more to come. Okay, he's turning on the lights for pretty much the first time. Beautiful. They all work.
Yes. Yes.
Now I'm just putting the room back together. We wanted to move the mirrors. As you saw when they got delivered, these come with mirrors, but I don't want the mirrors on the back because it's weird to like stare at yourself in a mirror in bed. It's just like not the vibe I'm going for. It's like when people have like mirrors on the ceilings. That's a bit much for me. So I'm thinking, if you just heard me, of putting them in the hallway, like wall mounting them there and putting picture lights above them, you know, just to use them. They came with this furniture, and maybe when we move one day, we'll want the mirrors, so that's a good way to keep them around without them being in the way. Look how sexy. I'm not talking about Babe, but she's sexy too. I'm talking about the dressers. I'm in love. But everyone come look at Babe's hair. No, Babe, you have to put your hair behind your back so we can all see. She got her hair done. She got a gift certificate to go to this new place, and they freaking killed it. Her hair looks incredible. But now, oh, also, let me tell you guys, these lamps from our Station Hardware, I think now they're like $2,000 a piece, something like that. Babe was on Amazon, and she found this dupe. I'm not supposed to say dupe, but I don't think anyone's watching this, so don't report me. A dupe for these was at $350, which obviously is still a lot of money, but compared to the actual price.
And that's the only, like, we looked for something similar for a long time.
Yeah.
When we first wanted them, we couldn't find anything.
Yeah, like we ultimately found these at the outlet. I think they were $11.50, so still very expensive, but we wanted them for 3 years straight.
No, they were 600, 700.
Oh, $7.50, you're right.
Yeah.
Because they were, yeah. Maybe even less. Because I believe the end cost was $1,400.
Yeah, and like, I plugged in every single one of these because Kiva was getting the car, and like 50% of them, maybe more than 50%, were broken. So they were on extra sale, but there were a couple ones that weren't broken.
Incredible. I feel like I should move this tree to your corner because my corner feels a little bit stuffed with these chairs here.
I agree.
So I'll do that, and then we'll have dinner, which we're having beef and some other type of stir fry. But here is a final look at the chandelier. That's kind of where we're gonna end the vlog today. Stay tuned for next time because I'm going to take care of this big blank wall that Babe is on, this big blank wall,
And the rug.
the hallway, the rug, and maybe some more stuff like in the nightstand area, and the bed. The bed situation is a dire one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a beautiful day.